Salam everyone and Ramadan Kareem to everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am teacher Ibrahim Jamal, and today inshallah we will learn the simple future tense in English. Inshallah I will make it easy for you to understand it, and the difference between I will and I am going to. Okay, the difference between them. What do you know about the future symbol? When we use it, and how to use it, and how to make a sentence using the simple future. We use the simple future to speak about something that will happen in the future. Okay? What's the difference between I will and I am going to? They have the same meaning. نفس المعنى. Okay, بمعنى سوف. But I will بمعنى أنا سوف. But I decided at the moment. For example, I will explain to you. أنا سوف. For example, when you decide something now without planning. Okay, I am going بمعنى أنا سوف. But you have decided before. Okay, you have planned to do that. For example, I am going to fast in Ramadan. Okay, I plan to fast in Ramadan. Okay, how to make a sentence? Using the simple future. We can say subject: he, she, I, we, they, you, it, plus will, plus verb. Okay. For example, he will study English next Friday. Okay. She will cook dinner tonight. I will teach you English today. Okay. We can make a negative sentence in simple future. We can say subject will plus not plus verb. For example, I will not go to the park today. She will not cook dinner this afternoon. Okay. They will not play football next Friday. How to make a question using the simple future? We can say will plus subject plus verb. For example, will you study English today? Will he buy a car next month? Will she get married next year? Okay, we use what will plus subject plus verb. Okay, to make a question. The key words of simple future are tomorrow, next, for example, next day, next Friday, next Eid, next month, next year. We write next and something else. For example, next Friday. After that, we can say soon, tomorrow, and for example, write the date. For example, in 2026, in the future. For example, tomorrow I will travel to Al-Hudaydah tomorrow. She will get married in 2026. Ahmed will visit us next Friday. Ramadan Kareem, my dear students, and see you inshallah next time with another lesson.